Hello, and this is the video of cold start of my blower. And here's my beautiful new bike, Kelly's Axis. Very known bike, it's a cross bike. Very nice. Okay, so let's go to starting. This is the blower. Nothing special, just 31 cubic centimeters. A lot more. Let's go do this. So I'm just gonna do it right here. Okay, so it's a bit blurry. There we go. So let's start it. I already primed it, as you can see right here. There we go. Yep. So can you see? Let's see if you can see. Just gonna move this out of the way. Oh, of course you can see. There we go. Okay. Let's stop the ground. And then let's do this. Okay. So the first thing you want to do, I'm a bit sick, is you want to do this. Bump the fuel a bit like this. Set this to 1, and let's go. It's not starting. Prime it. There we go. That was a cold start. So, thanks for watching, rate, comment, and subscribe.